it wasn't firing raw, you'll feel the engine rumble. It's the same because AJ has my Honda. My Honda did the same thing too.